Welcome to the end of Easy Decisions. This is the Extreme Edition. Would you rather 60 hardest choices ever? There are no good answers here, only survival. Ready to play with fire? Let's go. Would you rather wear wet clothes or wear clothes that are too tight? Make your choice. Fart in front of your whole class or fart in front of your crush? Would you rather hug your teacher or hug the person next to you? Live in a chocolate world or live in a candy world? Make your choice. Would you rather bite into a chili pepper or bite into an ice cube? Be allergic to your pets or be allergic to your favorite drink? Drop your answer below. Never feel physical pain or never feel emotional pain? Unlimited money, no love, or modest income? True love. It seems tough one. Which one will you pick up, left or right? Would you rather have a game room or have a private movie theater? Choose your room. Like this video if you pick the right one. No longer have a phone or no longer have internet? Would you rather only eat salty food or only eat sweet food? It seems tough one. Never see the end of a movie or knows the end of every movie? Would you rather bad breath or stinky feet? Would you rather be bitten by a dog or be bitten by 100 fire ants? Would you rather only drink coffee or only drink water? choose your drink. Like this video if you pick the right one. Sleep in a haunted house or sleep in the woods. It seems tough one. Would you rather always be cold or always be hot? Which one will you pick up, left or right? Save love, one's life, or save 10 strangers? Would you rather eat a raw onion or eat a spoonful of wasabi? It seems tough one. Never use soap again or never use toilet paper again? Have a voice that sounds like a robot or have a laugh that sounds like a donkey? Would you rather go to the mountains or go to the beach? Would you rather save this kitten or save this man? Make your choice. Sneeze every 5 minutes or have the hiccups every 5 minutes? Would you rather have a rock in your shoe or have a splinter in your finger? Which one will you pick up, left or right? Would you rather have a cleaning robot or have a cooking robot? It seems tough one. Sleep once a week or shower once a week? Would you rather sing in public or dance in public? Be alone at your wedding or be alone on your birthday? Go bungee jumping or swim with sharks? Teleport but unpredictably, or fly but only 10 miles per hour. It seems tough, one. Would you rather give up sight or give up speech? Would you rather give up hearing or give up touch? Climb a mountain or swim in a frozen lake? Would you rather unlimited shopping or unlimited travel? Make your choice. Choose your vacation, but be careful, one of them is a trap. Drop your answer below. Eat a raw egg or eat raw fish? It seems tough, one. Would you rather never feel tired or never feel hungry? Get bitten by a spider or get stung by a wasp? Only be able to whisper forever or only be able to shout forever? Be able to read minds or be able to fly? It seems tough, one. Would you rather talk without stopping or not be able to speak? Never taste food again or never smell again? Lose all your photos or forget your own name? Forget your first love or forget being forgotten? It seems tough, one. Lose your sense of taste or become deaf? Eat a bowl of flour or drink a glass of vinegar? Would you rather year in prison or year in a coma? Get a paper cut on your finger or get a blister on your ankle? Would you rather never own a car or never get married? Always have an itchy nose or always have itchy ears? Drop your answer below. Which one will you pick up, left or right? Would you rather be feared by all or be pitied by all? Never experience joy or never experience sadness? Make sure you subscribe to Quiz Falcon to train for the next extreme challenge. See you in the next chaos!